Ever wondered how you can bake without an oven? Watch this to see how to achieve that. Now you use an old pot. You level it up with sand or salt. If you're not comfortable with using sand, you can now use salt. Now you get an aluminium foil, then cover up the sand or salt depending on what you're using. Now this aluminium foil will not just cover up the sand or the salt, but it is also going to help retain heat in the pot. Now this is going to serve like an oven for you. Now make sure you're using a pot that has a good cover to cover up so that you can trap in the